EVGO Stock Wednesday. Is EVGO Incorporated stock a buy? Or if you're interested into curious about EVGO stock analysis, just watch this 1 minute video till the end. Let's begin. From a first glance, I'm not that amazed about this performance because this thing is just not performing well. I mean, for the people short selling, sure thing. And right now, yeah, not really for me. I'm not a big fan. Even like day trading this, I know like it's quite a good cap stock, but I want to see more volatility here. Even like ranging back when August 2023, it's where I really started having like some serious shorts, and that all delivered. And then I was very open for longs, but it came down from 8 to like 3. And I don't think we're going to be staying beneath. I mean, who knows? Who knows? I'm not going to just throw out assumptions because that's all that it is, assumptions. You have this supply zone. More likely than we're going to keep melting, but it's only going to be bullish if it starts breaking about $4. For me specifically, so. Since then, like, this is just a bearish market. So, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.